Hey, let's check this out. 9 images that hit me like a train or and like and stayed in my mind forever. Okay, there's that thing. It's only a short trip, enjoy it. It's true. I'm already close to retirement and my trip is really short. Did I enjoy it? Hmm. Right now I'm enjoying it. I'm doing some, you know, motorcycle rides. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Reputation is what people think of you. Character is what you are. Which would you like? Reputation or character? Both are important, but if you're gonna choose between one, I choose character. Because sometimes, if you have a good reputation, people will think bad of you. But your character, it is between you and God. Sometimes we are tested not to show our weakness, but to discover our strengths. It's true. It's like when you're in a big problem or a situation and you want to give up, but you overcame. You never knew you could, but you did. And it says here, what do you miss? I miss the way I viewed the world before I knew too much about it. Well, I guess this is not me. I don't miss the world. Like, even if I see a lot of things right now, it's about spirit eyes, spiritual, perception. Everything has a purpose. You just have to realize that. It's like the burned toasted bread theory. You may think the situation is bad, but it is not. Stop comparing your path to someone else. Yeah, I have my own path. I have to focus because I can only help myself. Nobody can help me. God helps me, of course. Jesus saves me, but I'm pertaining to humans. Yeah. Humans are born for themselves. They will only help you if you're beneficial to them. That's the world perspective. But a true Christian, of course, you and me, no, no, we don't do that. They called it changing when you started choosing yourself. I guess this is only for bad friends. When you're not doing the same things you were doing before because you're growing, right? The things that you've been doing 10 years ago, it's not the same now. Come on. 5 years ago, you loved to do this, but now not anymore. Yeah, people change. And sometimes your priorities, your dreams, your goals are being aligned to your true path, and the people you used to be with, um, you're no longer aligned with the path that you were walking before. So definitely it's gonna change. A great future doesn't require a great past. A great future, yeah, yeah, yeah. What does this mean? It means that everybody can start from scratch. Everybody can start from nothing. I mean, imagine if you think that you should be great, your parents should be great, you should have a lot of riches and everything before you can be rich. Then you're all, you know, screwed up, if that's the right word. What? 90% of the population are poor, so they just stay poor. Nah, they can grow. The day a blind man sees, the first thing he throws away is his stick that helped him all his life. This is what you call gratitude. There's also another saying about this: do not bite the hand that feeds you. Do not destroy the person who sincerely helps you. And Christians, I know it's so difficult. I know this. I'm a politics teacher, and we have this senator here who is a son of a famous preacher, and he's using the Bible to cover up sins. Even his father, preacher. Woof. Well, they forgot the first person who helped them before. It's God. And now they resort to sinful acts. Yeah. No, no, no. So what are you going to do with the stick? in the first place. Like you're blind, and of course, you're gonna throw it away. But it's metaphorically speaking that in real life, sometimes those people who really love you, who are really sincere in helping you, you don't see that. You, the bad or the most difficult thing is like you don't see that they are helping you sincerely, but you end up being choosing to be their enemy. Wow, that's bad, right? Ooh. Someone asked me, "What's your favorite place?" I don't have a favorite place. I have my people, and whenever I'm with them, it becomes my favorite place. Oh yeah, family. It's there with the family, right? Yeah. Well, actually, there are yeah. I just realized this is true. Like you're on a nice place, but the people who went along with you are negative. It's like a beautiful place. Like, sorry. For example, you're in Mount Fuji. It's a beautiful mountain. You're in Japan. Those things, and then it's really a beautiful place with all the sakura and everything. But you're negative. Like it's so cold. Imagine. So it's true. You don't have a favorite place. The favorite place is when you're with the people you travel with, or with, even if you don't travel, are positive, are happy people. There is so much power in believing that everything will work out even when you don't know how or when. Just believe it. It will. Yeah. Actually, Romans 8:28. All things work together for good to those who love God and who are called according to his purpose. That's my favorite verse. I made a poster out of that. And yeah, so remember Romans 8:28. God bless my dear friends. Have a wonderful evening.